Mike Dury, Dine in Recruiting, the world's greatest hospitality recruiters. That's where they live. All right, today we're talking about employment branding and how it's pretty much worthless unless you brand the position just as effectively. All right, let me tell you about what I'm talking about. A lot of companies spend a lot of time, a lot of effort, a lot of money, a lot of thought on just employment branding. We want to make ourselves an employer of choice. This is who we are. This is our culture. This is what we look for. This is what we stand for. This is what you need to abide by if you're going to be an employee at our wonderful place of business. That's all good. Okay, I guess you need that stuff. But what you really need to do is brand your jobs. So many companies today, they put out employment advertising about a job, and I read through it. I don't know what the job is. I'm in recruiting. That's all I've ever done. I know jobs, and I don't know what you're talking about. I'm reading this thing. I'm like, I swear to God, I don't know what this job is. And it could be simple positions. This position title seems simple to me. And I read it for 4 minutes. I still don't know what I do every day. When do I go to work? What do I do each day? Who do I report to? Where are you located? How much am I going to get paid? These simple questions are not answered. But boy, I know all about your founder. I know about that you have hacky sack rooms, but I don't know what I'm going to be doing when I work there. Let me give you a little analogy. When I was a little kid, little boy, little Mike D, cute little Mike D running around, you know what I wanted? I wanted a pony. I wanted a little pony, little boy in his pony. We were going to jump over rainbows. Oh, it was going to be magical. And then I got a pony. I had a rich father, and he decided to buy me a pony. He said, Michael, here's your pony. It was for my birthday one year. Got my pony. We were riding around. It was wonderful. And then I realized I had to take care of this pony. It was a pain in the behind, I got to tell you. Every day, all day, I'm dealing with this pony. Ponies are a high-maintenance creature. Oh, it didn't take me long. I realized, Dad, I don't want this pony anymore. You got to get rid of this pony. My father said, you got it, Mike. Pony's out of here. That's the same thing with your jobs. If you don't brand the position properly, the candidate that you hire takes the job. Within 2 weeks, they realize I didn't even really know what the job was, but your culture seemed awesome. You had that hacky sack room, so I took it. Now I don't like the job I'm doing, and I'm out of here, just like that pony. See, it's very important for candidates to know exactly what they're going to be doing before they even apply to their job. And then as you move them through the recruitment process, you hammer home more and more details about the position, exactly what you're going to be doing. Make it very clear right from the get-go in your advertising, exactly this is the position, this is the schedule, this is what you're going to be doing day in and day out. Make it before they even apply, make it really clear. And then brand your culture, brand your place of business, talk about your founder and all that good stuff. But before you do anything, brand the job, because that's what they're applying for, a job. Don't put the cart before the pony. All right, go to Dine in Recruiting right now. DineInRecruiting.com. Head on over there. We're going to talk more about how to advertise effectively, how to do things that really matter, how to get people in the door so you can hire stars. That's what we do every day over there. Get over there right now. All right, man, I'm just kidding about that. I'm getting a little crazy. I started thinking about that pony. I miss that dang pony. Oh, I wonder where he is today. We had a great week and a half, me and that pony. All right, we'll see.